You act like I don't do anything for you.
Do I ever say you don't do anything for me?
Yes, you always say, oh, you're going to leave me, you're going to do this. Like, it just doesn't make sense.
Because that's how you make me feel. The only time I ever make you feel happy is when I have sex with you. And sex ain't comfortable for me. And now, like, when we don't have sex, you make me feel insecure. Because then you're like, you push me away, you don't want me anymore. So I go in the shower and I cry because I can't satisfy you. And that seems like the only way I'm satisfying you. So you go out and another girl because I'm not doing that because I'm pregnant and it hurts. That's what you do? That's how you're gonna do me?
No, look.
That's what you went and did, ain't it?
All right, you can't even say it's not like this. Like, when we would have sex almost every day, all the time.
Before I was pregnant, though, right?
While you were pregnant. You just start acting like this. And then we would have sex all the time. Like, it seemed normal. And then, like, all of a sudden, you were just like, no. Like once or twice a week, and you would just act some type of way. Like, you wouldn't even tell me, oh, babe, it's because I'm pregnant. You would just act some type of way. And how am I supposed to know? Like, I don't know.
I told you, and you're going to try to sit here and play like I didn't tell you.
You did not tell me. You did not tell me. You told me that way far ahead because you made some excuse.
Some excuse?
Yeah, because you always use that excuse for everything.
So what's your excuse for sleeping with Elena?
I can't do the dishes. Oh, I'm pregnant. I can't do the dishes. I can't clean the cat litter. I'm pregnant. Like,
yeah. You cannot clean cat litter when you're pregnant. That is a proven fact. That is a proven fact. Ain't it? You can't. That's gonna harm the baby. You want to harm your son? Is that what you're telling me? You want me to be doing stuff when I'm hurting, when I'm working for us, for our family, standing on my feet, 10, 12-hour shifts while you're at home, you're out smoking blunts with your friends and stuff like that, leaving me, ditching me for baby's appointments, dinner with my grandparents. What friends?
What friends?
Zion.
No. Only 2 people. You cut me off from all my social life. Because every time I go and do something,
because your social life is just bitches.
No, it's not. No, it is not. No.
Really?
No, your social life is all dudes. All dudes. You don't even have friends that are girls.
All right, so why's your thumbprint in my phone and you won't find no message from any other guy but you and my papa?
All right, your thumbprint's in my phone. What you got to say?
I already said it. I found those messages between you and that old girl.
Why are you going through my phone? That's none of your business. Do I go through your phone? Do I go through your phone?
I think you're on the show to apologize to.
And you treat me like I don't do anything for you. Like,
no, I don't.
Yes,
I don't
do
that.
You always act like I don't do anything for you.
What do you do for me? What do you do for me?
I take out $50 a week for our kid.
$50 a week?
Yes.
$50 a week for a kid, a newborn baby. $50 a week.
What you
and you got 4 more months, and you just started this Speedway job, what, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah. I'm doing what I can.
So $150.
I'm doing what I can. I'm 18.
I'm not?
No, not as much as I am.
Alana is the woman you cheated with, and she's the girlfriend of your best friend. And I assume you know this, Alana.
Yeah.
Here's Alana.
You're pregnant, honey. Don't play that with me. No. Remember back in high school when we were supposed to fight in the bathroom and you was scary as hell? You're lucky that the principals came to snatch you up because I would have snatched you up.
You know what's funny? You're like a kickball to me. All it's going to take is me to kick you across this room and you done. So why you going to take it?